as you know, we are talking about how we could maintain good teaching or quality teaching, and how we can provide quality teaching for effective curriculum design. And we, in this regard, we talked about some, we talked about teachers, and we talked about the teaching context. We talked about the models, and we talked about two models like operative and problem-solving model. And then we talked about, the significance of principles. Now we're going to see a self-study of the program as an important feature of, or as an important requirement to ensure that we are providing quality teaching or maintaining quality teaching, right? So self-study actually, as compared to the models and principles, this involves the evaluation of the program overall, how teachers are teaching and how learners are learning, and how the administration is interested to maintain and enhance the quality of the program overall. So self-study of the program is influenced by various factors. And just to refresh you, I mean, I'm talking about this topic in the light of the information gathered from Richard's book, Curriculum Development in Language Teaching. So we, as you know, previously discussed, we hold certain beliefs about language teaching, and our beliefs about language teaching actually help shape our practices in the classroom. So the self-evaluation of the program helps us to evaluate, to assess what beliefs and practices are taking place in the classroom. So overall, by evaluating our beliefs and practices, or the overall mission of the program, it enhances the quality of the program, and because it's seen as it's a utility, in terms of its longer term, it can't be denied, because it shows that the teachers are serious in materializing the objectives, mission, or vision of the language program, right? And the self-study of the program could also provide information if the teachers are, less motivated, or whether they need some professional development programs, right? So it's significant. What's the significance of self-evaluation of the program? Well, self-evaluation of the program, I mean, if it's reviewed over a period of time, right, frequently, it shows that the program is credible. For example, I mean to say, it reveals the credibility of the program, and it also shows the outcome of the teaching mission, like what's the vision of the school. And the suggestion here, when we talk about the self-evaluation of the program, how often we need to self-evaluate the program, and who is involved here. Well, the self-evaluation of the program could be undertaken, every 3 to 5 years. You could see the reference here, because I mean, it will obviously involve some resources and some time and some financial elements too. So that's the reason that it should be spanned over 3 to 5 years. And what are the stakeholders involved in self-evaluation? Firstly, it's the teachers, the teaching processes, or the teaching context, right? Their interests, and then the administrators who are running the program, and then the students. So the main focus of the self-evaluation is actually to help know how the program is actually operating, if there are any problems that need to be resolved. So there are some guidelines out there and which you could easily download from the TESOL website. And these guidelines help us see how to self-evaluate the program. So in brief, self-evaluation of the program is seen one of the important indicators of providing effective or quality teaching, and that could help us prepare language curriculum document in an effective and efficient way.